Cap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies, and we've got this little guy here we got to put together, and let's see if we could do it. These don't seem to fit right. I don't know why. Gonna have to trim them, I guess. I did this in the last model. Yeah. Okay, we got that one. Gotta put some glue in. Okay. That's in there like that. This one is not cooperating, so we have to trim it. Like this. That's good. So put a little glue in there. That should be enough. Like that. That's good. And we got the hand here. Some of these we're gonna have to there we go, like that. We want to put a little more glue on that. So a little more glue in there. Shove it down in there like that. Now this is the most problematic part of this build is this blaster here and the head. So we're going to trim that. We may have to use some green stuff on it too. I don't like the way it's fitting. It's not fitting in there flush. You know what? I'm going to go to the green stuff. Because I want this to work well. Take the green stuff out. And get the scissors here. Let's cap. Oh boy. What did I do with the key? There it is. Cap that off and put it off to the side. I'm going to take about that much. And take these plastic parts off here. Let's see. There it is right there. And twist it up. Oh, it's a little bit better now since I had it in the Ziploc bag. A little bit better to mix. You have to mix it until it's green. You know, it's not a pale green, a little bit, you know, it's got to be a darker green, and then it'll look good. It'll work good. As far as this is an epoxy putty, and it's good stuff. I use it in a lot of models. Please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up while you're at it. While you're watching this video, please. Helps me to buy more models so I can show you more stuff in models and painting. And I appreciate that. If you want to donate, donate. That is entirely up to you. There's an option there, a little heart for that. See how it's green? That's how you want it. So we're going to take a piece off. I'm going to save the other piece for his head. And we're going to put the piece in here. And we're going to stick that in there like that. All the way in. Okay. Now we're going to take this piece and we're going to put it in his neck area here. Put that on there like that. And then we're going to lay the piece down. We want to get this like that. I'm going to lay the piece down and let it dry overnight. See this little piece right here? And take the knife and just, without cutting myself, cut that off. Like so. Put that in the bucket. And I'm going to just lay it down there like that and let it dry overnight. So we're going to put this back together again. We'll put it in the Ziploc bag. Keep it in a Ziploc bag. It keeps it fresh. And that's the video for today. Please rate, subscribe, to give a thumbs up. I said that already. Helps me bring you more videos. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.